Okay, hi guys, this is a brand new video. Today I'm gonna see if I can chug a sparkling water without burping. Are you guys ready?
No.
Okay. I think I did it!